Hello and welcome to this video. Today we are going to talk about how to activate your trial license. This workflow is valid for ExactFlat for Rhino, Monarch for Rhino, and ExactFlat for SolidWorks. The first step is to install your copy of ExactFlat. Once it has been installed, you will be using your trial license file provided. The first step is to open up CodeMeter Control Center from your Windows Start menu. Once CodeMeter Control Center has been opened, we can drag the license file on top of CodeMeter Control Center and drop it. This will start the import process. At this point, we now see our trial license in the CodeMeter Control Center, and we can see that the license has been activated. We can view the status of the license by clicking the web admin icon at the bottom right hand corner of CodeMeter Control Center. From the container list, we can see that we have one license for ExactFlat for Rhino and one license for Monarch for Rhino. The licenses listed in this list box here will change depending on the product that you are installing a trial for. Thank you for watching. Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to activate a new license for ExactFlat using the ExactFlat License Manager over the internet. To begin, open a web browser and navigate to license.exactflat.com. Next, enter in your ticket ID. Then press Next. A summary of the licenses available on the ticket will be displayed. Click the Activate Licenses button. Select the container or the binding that you wish to use. If you are activating your license on a dongle, then insert the dongle and select dongle. Otherwise, select CM-ACT license. Select the products that you wish to activate, then click the Activate Selected Licenses Now button. ExactFlat will automate the process of creating a license update request, transmitting the license update request to the license server, downloading and importing the license update, and generating a license import receipt. Your licenses have now been activated. Hello and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about how to activate your ExactFlat license using CodeMeter Control Center. This process can be used for all of our products, including ExactFlat for Rhino, ExactFlat for SolidWorks, and Monarch for Rhino. All of the steps in this video are included in our manual node-locked license activation using CodeMeter Control Center guide. If at any point you have any questions, you can refer to the guide or you can email support@exactflat.com. The first step is to open CodeMeter Control Center from the Windows Start menu. After installing ExactFlat, you won't have any licenses available in CodeMeter Control Center. We start by creating an empty license container by dragging the empty license SmartBind container onto CodeMeter Control Center. This file will have been emailed to you by Tri-D Technologies. Once we have an empty license container, we can see the status is empty. We select the container and we click the License Update button. It is very important to select the container before clicking License Update button, especially if you have multiple items in this list. For instance, if you have a Fraunhofer nesting dongle, you will also see the Fraunhofer dongle in this list. It is important that we click the Tri-D Technologies Inc. SmartBind container before clicking the License Update button, otherwise we may be creating a license update request for the wrong container. We click Next, and then we're going to create a license request. We click Next. It is important to remember the location that we are creating this request. This file will need to be emailed to support@exactflat.com, and ExactFlat will create a license update file and email it back to you. Once we have the correct location entered, we click Commit, and a new file is created. This file needs to be emailed to Tri-D Technologies in order for the license activation process to continue. Once Tri-D Technologies has received the file, we will generate a license update file and we will send it back to you. Once you have received the update file from Tri-D Technologies, we can go ahead and import this file into CodeMeter Control Center. We do this by dragging the update file onto CodeMeter Control Center. You will receive a message box telling you that the import has been successful. You click OK to finish the import process. At this point, we need to generate a license import confirmation receipt. We do this by clicking the License Update button. Again, we want to make sure that we have selected Tri-D Technologies Inc. SmartBind. We click License Update, we click Next, and now we click Create Receipt. Go ahead and click Next, and once again we are going to generate another file that is going to have to be emailed to Tri-D Technologies. It is best to rename this file to include receipt in the file name, so I will add .receipt, and we go ahead and click Commit. A new file has been created, and we have to email this file to Tri-D Technologies. If we skip the receipt generation process, then we will be unable to transfer your license, so it is very important that you generate the receipt and send it to us so we can confirm activation of your license. So at a future date, if you need to transfer your license or deactivate it temporarily for a computer maintenance or reinstall, at that point we can reactivate your license for you. Hello and welcome to this video. Today I am going to be showing you how to update an existing ExactFlat license over the internet. To begin, open a web browser and navigate to license.exactflat.com. Once the page is loaded, enter your ticket ID. Then click Next. A summary of the updates will be displayed. Ensure that the license with this container is available on your computer. If you are using a dongle for your license, then make sure your dongle is plugged into your computer. Otherwise, make sure CodeMeter Control Center is started and this license container is available. Then click Auto Update. Next, click the Transfer License Updates Now. The process is automated. The license manager will take care of generating your license update request, transferring it to the license server, importing your license update, and transmitting your receipt. The license update is complete. Click OK to finish the process.